Hello! Today I'm back with another epic creation. I am going to make a stone with main symbols from Fullmetal Alchemist. At first I stick printed Ouroboros and Flamel on double-sided tape and cut them out. After sticking them to my stone, I need to outline them with pencil. After removing the tape, I have nice pattern which I am going to grind. I start with quite small milling cutter, which enables me to perfectly grind the outer edges of symbols. Holding grinder as a pen improves the grip and as a consequence accuracy, but as you can see it wasn't enough. Grinder is too heavy to hold, so I decided to install flexible holes that provides complete accuracy. Now I can comfortably continue grinding. My goal is to make hollows that are big enough to pour resin in them. While having both sides marked, I am changing a milling cutter to ball-ended one. It should go faster with it. When symbols are perfectly curved, I am preparing red pearl resin for the Ouroboros side. I use a bamboo stick to apply epoxy into the hollows. When the resin is dry, I prepare black one for the other side. I mix resin with black pearl dye and black acrylic paint. My stone is a little lopsided, that's why I have to support one side to prevent resin from spilling. Again, I apply epoxy with a bamboo stick. After drying, my stone is ready. It can be used as jewelry or just kept as an ornament. Let me know what do you think about this creation. Don't forget to check out my Pinterest and Instagram. Stay creative!